yeah, brakes feel good, huh? Oh, this fucking sucks. We got a rollover.
Sheesh.
Hopefully nobody's stuck in there.
Sheesh. Alright, he's just trying to get his amps. No, someone is stuck in there. It's a fat guy. Yeah, it's a fat guy. There's a fat guy stuck in there.
Tools, mirrors.
You saw that? He was laying face down. That nigga was knocked the fuck out. Did you get that with the dash cam?
I did, I hope.
That shit was wild, huh? Them niggas fucked up.
What are we gonna do? Push menu to save it? Yes.
Yo, that dude was hella fat that was stuck in that car. He was like hella fat.
Gotta wear your seatbelt.
He's wearing a seatbelt. He would have probably been dead. The fucking top.
Could have been ejected, man.
Top of that roof was crushed.
I'm surprised the cops weren't coming. Where the hell were the cops at?
I know two different people that if they didn't get ejected from the car, they would have died. So if they wore their seatbelt, they would have died. PTA knows somebody that got their head cut clean off from the seatbelt. Yeah.
How?
I don't know. Crazy ass accident, my nigga.
There goes a cop going the wrong way. It's like, are you fucking kidding me?
He's probably gonna cross through the middle thing.